They can see us, baby.
Oh my goodness!
Welcome back to another video, everyone. Thank you for clicking on this episode of Travel.Fish.Film. If you're new here, my name is Joseph Evans, and this is...
I'm Bradley Funkhauser.
We have a interesting type of video today. There will be no fishing. So, go ahead and leave if you don't want to see fishing, but if you want to see something kind of neat...
Yeah, we're going to be doing some arts and crafts, some Legos. It'll be awesome. So if you want to watch some of that, stay tuned. We have
Maverick whining in the background.
He'll be whining all video, so get used to that. But we got a really cool thing happening here at Travel.Fish.Film. We are partnering up with Rio Craft. They sent us this boat, and they sent us in pieces, which is totally okay because we want to learn the ins and outs of this thing, understand the product, and if you ever were to buy this boat yourself, it usually comes pre-made on a trailer ready to go, right?
They're in fly shops over the Northwest on the trailer ready to go.
Yeah.
But we have a unique situation here.
We're a little bit further away from where we can get one, so they sent one.
And that's all right.
It's the beauty of shipping.
So we are gonna
FedEx, shout out.
Put this thing together, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna put this together. Stay tuned. Could be a wild ride. We don't really know how this goes. We're not really that good.
We're not good. We're not as great, I would say, in terms of working with our hands. We're just kind of good fishermen.
No, I think we're shitty fishermen, but
I would say that we're
even worse at building boats. So let's do this. But thank you guys for watching. Let's get after it. Huh? What do you say, Matt? There we have it.
All right, okay, so let's build this boat together. Bradley and I might not be best suited for this, but I think we're gonna give it our best, and you guys are gonna stay tuned, and I'm really excited for this boat. You guys know I have a row drift boat. I love that thing to death, but there are times where a raft is the best applicant for going down certain stretches of river safely. We're gonna start though with a Vaer time check. Everyone, check this out. This is a Vaer adventure watch.
Vaer.
We have been rocking them for about 5 months now.
Dude, we've been rocking them and rocking them hard. I have the craziest tan. If I took this thing off, you guys would be like, whoa.
Glow in the dark, waterproof.
Yeah.
I think they're great looking. Link below.
Comfortable.
We have a discount code, so go ahead and check them out if you'd like to purchase one. And we do a Vaer time check. So let's see how long this raft build takes us. What time is it, buddy?
Like 1:30.
1:34 is what I got. You got that?
I got that.
We're pretty bad at reading these things. We're getting better.
Yeah, we're getting better every day. Every day. 1:34. This will take us at least 5 hours, in my opinion, because of the way that we move.
He thinks 5 hours. I think.
Well, here's the thing. In 35 minutes, we're gonna crack a beer. I know that, and
it's
that's
gonna slow down.
It's gonna be like molasses.
All right. Let's start with. Okay, I think we're gonna start with the frame.
Yeah.
Actually, unboxing. Here we go.
Yeah, we're gonna unbox it.
Unboxing!
Here we go. The dude just flashed
Blood
the
circle.
knife.
Blood circle.
No, get out of here.
Blood circle.
No. I hate this game. I hate it when you play that game. Can we get all that out of there? Jeez.
Hey, blood circle, Mav. Stay out of the way. Blood circle.
It's not okay to say.
It's a dangerous area. Here we go. Wow. Pop.
The moment of truth. We haven't even seen the colors of this thing yet.
No.
He said it's a surprise.
Oh, nice.
Oh! It's green. Oh, woo. Boat, huh? It's a good boat, huh? It's a good boat, huh? Yes. He's excited. What are you getting there, Joe? Talk us through it. What's step number 1?
We need a 1/2 inch crescent.
Okay.
You guys, out of complete love, this is gonna be a long one.
This is gonna be a little longer.
We said we were gonna do this like middle of the day, but we We
We
actually haven't even started.
Should have started at 9 a.m.
Oh my gosh.
But it's okay. We've got our Payette North Fork Lager. I don't know if you guys know this, but we have partnered and we are now ambassadors for Payette Brewing Company, which is right there. Ooh, ready? Here we go.
Here we go.
Ooh.
I already did mine. North Fork Lager, baby. It's like
Cheers, buddy.
It's like 11 a.m. Yikes. No, it's later than that.
No, dude, it's 1:30.
Last time we did a Veritime check,
It was 1:34.
it's 2:27, and we
haven't even started, but we're a beer deep. Well, we just started, not even a beer deep. It's pretty good.
We actually we just took the wrapping off, and that's all we've done. two phone calls to the owner.
Yeah, 2 of them.
Okay, that's okay. We're on the right track. We have the frame set out, and we're gonna build it from the middle out.
I was always a dinosaur kid. I was never a Lego kid.
Same.
So I didn't really get this
Up top?
this learning thing.
I was a Lego kid.
Ah, dude, but this is better, huh?
Really good. All right, we'll catch you when we have a little more progress.
Thank you, Payette, for the time being.
Holy cow. Fair time check. It's 4:22. Still looks like that. We took a break. We got tired. It got hot. A little bit of cloud cover now. Let's get back to it. Yeah, we lost some time. Yeah. Okay, executive decisions have been made. Bear time check. We knew this would happen.
5 something.
5:21. 4 honest hours, 2 hours of napping. We have the base, but it is early June here on.
Where we work, there's this really special thing called the brown drake hatch. This happens every year, the first 2 weeks of June. And if you want to watch the video we made last year on it, links below.
No, link's right here, actually.
Oh,
Little card.
get it. Tomorrow, finish it off.
We're gonna finish it tomorrow. And bada bing, bada bang. Good morning, guys. Day 2. Bradley is currently grabbing the trailer, which is exciting. And then all we need is a drill bit. I've touched up a couple of things this morning before I turned the camera on, but not a whole lot. Just kind of worked on the last couple pieces of this frame. We need to put the seat on. It's coming together. God, this boat looks really good, you guys. I'm genuinely so excited to have a raft that I can fish out of comfortably, confidently. I mean, there's freaking cup holders to hold a cold brewski. Fired up, baby. I am stoked. So, all we really need to do that's left is we're gonna drill holes in the boat box, put the rowing seat on there. We need to put on the front waist bar, the back seat, the anchor system, and then throw it on the trailer. So I'm amped. Brad should be here shortly and we'll be in business. Okay, so check it out. Fly Project Saratoga boat box is gonna fit in there perfectly. Little White Yeti cooler. I could have had a wider cooler, but I like to have a lot of feet space, and I know it doesn't look like a lot, but that should be more than enough feet space with a little footrest right there. And the beauty of this raft, it's so nice. I can just bring this little Allen wrench tool, keep it in my boat box at all times, and I can just straight up add a little adjustment, little rubber mallet, and just tap it each side. And if I'm gonna go fish with it hopefully soon, and then we'll end up making minor adjustments just with this tool and a little rubber mallet. You know, I could just loosen those guys, tap, 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 and move it back and forth, whatever I need. Look at how awesome this, oh, look at the Rio Craft up front, that's sick. This front waist bar is gonna be so sick. I've never seen a company yet do a front waist bar with these. I don't know if that's a thing yet or not, but the whole hip holders are rad for both clients and for us. Maybe for Mav. Good morning, Mav. Mav, can we just herd the basketball later? I'm trying to like, oh dear. Anchor like so, and then cinch it down. So that's how the anchor will drop out this pulley and on this 2-line system. So Brad, go ahead and pull up the anchor. Pull, 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 all the way up. Perfect, just like that. And it sits like that.
Do I put it like back here again?
I'll show you. I got you.
It goes like that.
Here I come.
That's good.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, but this rope goes underneath this.
Oh, okay.
You're good. And let's check it out, guys. It goes through the frame. So you never want rope exposed for the fisherman in the back, because if you set rods down or if someone hooks the rope with a fly, if you're fishing barbs, it is not fun. If you're fishing barbless, you're in better shape. But barbs and rope are not good. Honestly, guys, there's the trailer right there for it. Brad's got it. I'm gonna strap it up onto the trailer. Cause why not? See how the whole thing looks. All we gotta do is drill the seat and it's literally done. 2 days, but an honest process. Hopefully this roller goes to work. All it needs to do is hold it down so it doesn't slide around. That's it. Oh, folks at home, we did it. We have completed the Rio Craft boat. I went ahead and drilled some holes in this boat box on the underside, installed the rowing seat. It's gonna need a little more perfection later. Not the best handyman, but I feel so comfortable. My feet spots are right. We'll probably adjust the oars just a hair, but they're kind of in line with my knees. Just maybe a little more back. I am fired up. We're gonna get this thing on the water tomorrow, so go ahead and subscribe to Travel.Fish.Film. You can check out the future video. Hopefully it'll be out very soon of us putting this Rio Craft Teton to test. And I'm just fired up. So I'm gonna shoot a little photo for a thumbnail. We're gonna close this puppy out. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. I am beyond grateful to have this boat. Thank you, Rio Craft. Stay tuned for this coming 2024 season, using this raft on all sorts of fun places and taking it down hopefully some whitewater, some rapids, some sections of river you can't take a drift boat down, hence the use of a raft. And I genuinely think this is gonna be one of the better fly fishing rafts made on the market. Just by the looks of it. But we won't know for sure until we go fish it. So let's go fish it super soon. Thank you again, guys. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace.